guys, I'm a little bit nervous, but we're actually gonna get into these waves right now. Super excited. All right, guys, you ready? Okay guys, so we're currently trying to go pretty far out because these waves, I don't know if you guys can see them that good on here, but they're pretty big. My sister's with her dog. She's not doing so well with all the water. Woo! We need a good one, guys. We need a really good wave. All right, let's see. Whoa, this is like an okay one. No, we need a better one. Let's move this way. All right, guys, I'll be right back. We're just going to find a good wave. See how funny Pasley is when a wave comes up? She starts, okay, watch her. Pasley, you like the waves? Alright guys, so we can't seem to find like the best wave, but we keep getting like these really good small waves that are pretty big. So, wait, let's get this one. Woo! Some of them are like super good. Woo! Dude, when you turn the camera on, it starts to get better. I know, right? Woo! Alright guys, we are going to walk around a little bit, have some fun, catch up on some stuff with my sister. Her dog keeps scratching her. I feel so bad. She's gotten her like 4 times, and we're trying to get Pasley a little bit more calmer. I think it's because of the current. When she comes in, it pulls her, and she gets a little nervous. So we're gonna try to get Pasley in here and have a little bit of fun with us. But say bye, girls. Bye.